Hey everyone, it's Lisa. I am backstage at QVC, which is why I am whispering. How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday. And here's the biggest news of the day. Happy free ship day on QVC. Free shipping on all Temptations, free shipping at QVC. So today is the day to go to your wish list. Everything that you've wanted to purchase, everything that you've wanted to buy, now is the day to pull it all together and to check out because it's free ship day on QVC. Christy's here, Patricia's here. Hey you guys, how you doing? So I'm over at QVC in Westchester at the studio, and we go on at about 3 o'clock with David Venable, and super excited because guess what we have? Our set of 2 gloves for under $20. Under $20. You guys know it is grilling and chilling season, so gloves are an absolute must. Great stuff going on over at QVC. What are you guys up to today? I have to tell you, here in Pennsylvania, it is the most gorgeous summer day. It's like just a nice little breeze, no humidity, really nice. Hi, Shing, how you doing? Margaret's here. What are you guys up to today? Are you gardening today? Shopping today? Are you like food prepping today? You getting ready for the upcoming week? Yeah, I'm backstage here at QVC, and we are getting ready for our gloves going on at 3 o'clock. Susan is here. How are you guys doing? Yeah, we're doing great on this end. Colleen is here. So if you just joined, just to let you guys know, it is free ship day. So we see lots of fun stuff going on. I just saw the Today Special Value, the Vitamix. It looks amazing, and it comes in this super cool summer color of yellow. It is so pretty. So anyway, for Temptations or from QVC, it is free ship day. So I know I got some jeans on my wish list, some makeup that I've been like checking out. How about you guys? What'd you buy today? Oh, Blair says it's a beautiful Sunday in Lexington. Sheila's here. Valerie's here. Well, listen, the big news here today at QVC is free shipping. Yeah. So we know that that's a big deal. So anything that you've been wanting, go check it out now. And I'll see you guys at 3 o'clock. So I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. Enjoy this day. I will say, I think on the East Coast, it's beautiful. Hi, Lisa. How are you doing? Mary's here. I know after the show, I'm actually going to head down into Philadelphia. There's an Italian festival. If you're from this area, it's amazing. It's their South Philly Italian festival. So something I love going with. I'm going to go with my husband and my daughter and her husband. So super excited. I hope you guys are having a fun one too, whatever it is that you're doing today. Hi, Holly. Hi, Sandy. How you guys doing? Did you hear? I'm going to say it one more time for all of you who just joined. It's free shipping. It's a big deal at QVC when it's free shipping. So go like today's shopping day. When it's free shipping day, it's shopping day. You got to put everything else to the side for like 20 minutes and go do some shopping. So I hope you guys are doing great. I'm going to run. I'm going to go get ready. But can you come join us at about 3 o'clock with David Venable? We're going to showcase our gloves. Set of 2 gloves, you guys, under $20. All right. You guys have a great day. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Okay. Bye-bye.